Hello, welcome back to CAPSIM Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips around 2 production. Details guide for production part of round 2. You can check the other video for the marketing, for the R&D of round 2, the marketing marketing round 2 R&D, and also check the other video for round 1, R&D, marketing, production, finance, HR, finance, and TQM to see the top result of round 1 here on screen. You see top results round 1, and also if you follow the right strategy here, you can get top results of 8 rounds like you see on the screen, right? Top result of 8 rounds, right? So now we focus on round 2 production. I show you the detail now. So now set production decision. We have calculated the sales forecast here from in the marketing part, and now we know that we have inventories here, so we just use a sales forecast, deduct inventory, and then we put the production schedule here. You can check that in the Excel file here, the production here. We input that using the sales forecast, deduct inventories here, right? If you want, you can check that again from this part of the report, page number 4 here, page number 4 of the report, right? So we set the production, and then we can buy more capacity for the new product here, buy more capacity for the needed product, new product, and then we increase automation of the traditional and the low end. The other product we can increase from round 4, so we try to increase low end to 10, automation of low end to 10, automation of traditional to 6, right? So that's what we set in the production because we have the limit of the budget here. So again, do not copy the number, use the strategy I show you, but adjust that, change that, adapt that, customize that to match your game situation and competition, right? I show you the strategy. If you apply the right strategy, you can get the top sale here, top sale, top profit, top stop price for each round and all the 8 rounds like you see on the screen, right? If you have any question, you send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and